That, Manasji, if you would like to have the discussion started with Ananya. Ananya, welcome again as one of the achievers. The dice is all yours. You could go ahead and start explaining about your journey, the achievement portfolio, etc. So I
So
think,
I think like
uh,
Uh,
oh,
yeah.
yeah,
she's
she's
back.
back.
She's back.
Am I audible?
Yeah, achievers. Yeah, you are. You are
Yeah,
an
yeah.
achiever and you're
Uh,
always audible. Go ahead, Ananya.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, sir. May I share my screen, please?
Yeah,
Yeah,
please go ahead.
please go ahead.
Is the screen visible?
There seems to be a little bit
Still
of
not.
internet issue. Yeah.
Yep. No, not yet.
Okay, so let me just start. Uh, Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to extend a heartiest uh, thanks to Darshan sir and Sadbi for inviting me here. And such a platform is really needed in today's era, wherein all the youngsters need motivation, not at just one step, but yeah, often they need someone who is there to guide them. And such people, existence of such people is, I guess, rare in today's world. So, before moving on to my intro part, I would love to start by saying that the journey of my life basically has two phases. The first phase mostly covers the, I would say, kind of materialistic achievements which I have achieved till date. And the second phase consists of all the processes which were involved to get the things which I have achieved in phase one. So, yeah. Starting with it, hello everyone, this is Ananya Upadhyay and I basically hail from Balia, Uttar Pradesh. I am a final year undergraduate student in computer science at GIT University, Dehradun. So, a couple of months back, I founded a non-profit organization which is known as FTS, that is Failure to Success. Uh, is the screen visible now?
Not
Uh,
yet.
Unfortunately, not yet. I think some technical glitch, internet glitch. If you would want to wait, Ananya, if you want to, you would want to wait,
Hello.
sort it out, and then get back. We could definitely get back to you the moment your connection is stable and fine. Else, if you would want us to wait, we could wait for a couple of minutes because we have some awesome audience waiting already up there.
It's sure, sir. I'll continue. Okay. So, regarding FTS, FTS is basically a platform wherein we motivate people to come and share their failure experiences.
Okay.
Apart from FTS, I've made it to Amazon as a summer intern, cleared the Infosys certification program. Recently, I'm also a participant at SOI at the Infosys company and a public relations officer at Spikmaker, which is a national level club. So these were few of the materialistic achievements which I've had as of now. So now I would love to move on to the next phase, that is phase two. So often people ask me about why FTS, how did this idea came to you?
Hmm.
So the answer is just in a single line. When during the lockdown period, I saw everybody just sharing their successful stories. It's not wrong to share your successful stories, but at the time when you are ready to share your success stories, so why not your failure experiences too? I believe we almost fail every day, or rather, whenever we start doing something new. But hardly do we have the courage to speak up openly about it. So for that reason, I started FTS, and I make sure that I motivate people to come and make the full use of this platform and sharing their failure experiences, the things which they felt in a kind of there were norms, and basically we aim at normalizing failures.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I also believe that confidence is not something which you or I or anyone else whosoever is watching the show is born with. It's a kind of a progress which we have to work for and make ourselves compatible and come upfront removing all the hurdles which we face in our life. I remember growing as a child, I had really very less confidence. At times, I was bullied. I faced a lot of personal issues as well. But at a point when I decided not to let me hurt myself, not to let me get affected, that was the day when I moved on, when I just did work on myself and started on, getting onto the path of the best version of my own self. Uh, Also, the thing why I started FTS in this, my father plays an important role because he always motivated me to do something for the society. Uh, Even when before I entered the college, he never said me to just go into a corporate sector or anything. But he made sure to always every day motivate me to do something by which even the people are happy. They get something in return when you do something. Not just you, but also the people in the country, in the society are satisfied by your works. Lastly, I would like to sum up my presentation by speaking about few almost it's 5 rules which I basically follow, and it helped me to get the best version of my own self. The very first rule states that there is only one you. हम हमेशा we always run behind people कि मुझे उसके जैसा बनना है और या फिर मुझे उसके जैसा बनना है. क्यों? We don't know. We just get fascinated by the outer world, by the outer layers which people show to us. Rather, we do not get into things that the people will only show you the things that they want to. They are not going to show you the entire thing which is. They are not going to show you their flaws and all the things which are hidden into them. So
Yeah.
make sure you find yourself because your flaws, your morals, your principles, all of these are for you, belong to you, and there is no one like you. Coming to the next rule is that make choices for yourself. We I met people who often speak about others not taking stand for themselves. For those people, do you take stand for yourself? I believe if you're not capable of standing up for yourself, nobody in the world will ever stand for yourself.
Yeah.
Coming to the next rule is that be hungry for your ambitions. I don't think it's bad to have a full cake and eat it too. There's literally nothing wrong. Even I want to enjoy everything. I want to get into most of the things, or there's nothing wrong. It's all right until and unless my actions and my thoughts harm someone or violate my morals and principles. Moving to the
Yeah.
next rule, which states surround yourself with the right people. Yeah, a
Okay.
surrounding and a group
Yeah.
I think
So
we are trying to like uh we're not able to hear you completely out there probably or something like that. Internet issues. Manaj ji, what do you feel?
yeah, there is some issue out there. Like we are not able to hear her. So we
Well,
can.
Manaj ji, how are
Yeah,
you? How are you feeling in terms of the achievers?
yeah.
Just rewind our lives. Rewind our lives. We didn't even have internet. We
Yeah.
didn't even
ab-
have basically it was all haywire, right? We wanted to stitch up things. We wanted to stitch up a thing and make a complete fabric named life. And
Yeah.
that's where we are today. We today the youngsters have everything, and these people out here in the panel have basically taken up to another level altogether.
Yes.
Ananya, I think that is some good level of story shared.
Yeah.
Manasji, if you would want to add like failure to success, imagine the title.
Yeah.
What is your take, failure and success? Because you've been a life coach and a mentor for so many people out here in the platform. 15K
Yes.
plus connections you have, and you've supported the community really well. So, what
Yes.
would you suggest in terms of failure and success to the young young regimen out here?
I would love to tell that story because I would like to talk about this. Have you heard of this person called as Ram, Lakshman, and Bharat, and that Ramayana part, right? So if you have
Yes.
heard about this, I have a very typical way of asking this question, and that is, let's say I tell you a story where there was a prince born to a king, and then the prince grows up, go to educate, does his education, then gets married and dies. Would you like to buy that story? And I don't think like anybody would be interested in that kind of story where just somebody took birth, educations, get married, rebirth happens, then goes and dies. No, then nobody is interested in that kind of story. So what makes Ramayana interesting is all the patterns that went in his life, right? So it can be taken to in anyone's life also. In any of the great achievers' life, you will see like in their lives they have gone through so much of trouble. And that's what I say, if you have not gone through troubles, what are the stories that you are going to tell when you are successful? So what I look at is,
Yeah.
every time there is a problem, what I look at it is, wow, this is a new story that is adding to my life, and I'm going to talk about this someday when I overcome that.
Yes, yes, that's awesome. That's really awesome, Manashji. So,
Thank you.
my question, that's really awesome. My question to Ananya remains this: FTS, you found that. So, what's your target? How many people's life are you going to transform through FTS? Would you be making an impact? I'm sure that you will be having some target in your mind.
So,
These many people I'm going to transform. So, what's your target in mind?
so basically, I did not start FTS as a kind of business. So I do not have target. Even if I'm able to
No, it's
change,
not a
or provide.
no. Okay, so Ananya, it's not a business question anywhere. It's about for the positive betterment of the community. How many have you kept in mind? So, for example, when myself and one more person started the LinkedIn Lounge, right? So we've targeted that a 360-degree platform for anybody. There is no limit, and we have, I think, closely helped 150 plus people build complete optimized LinkedIn profile. So something like that is absolutely free. So Darshanji would definitely know that I had a discussion about it with Darshanji as well long time back. And that's when this community like Circle of Legends, right? The target is to help the student community completely across India to the best possible manner. So in a similar way, if I have to ask you today that FTS is just born, it's a baby, right? And you're going to build that baby, you're going to make it walk, and then definitely it's going to run, it's going to fly high. So what is your phase wise plan which you have in your mind?
Yeah. So basically, we at FTS have no age bar. Like anyone and everyone can come up and share their experiences. So as of now, we have posted few of the stories, and it's started. It has almost started flying because we have many other almost 20 to 30 stories lined up in the queue, which are yet going to be published. So yeah, I believe even if we get one or two stories, or sometimes you're not able to get some stories, it's fine. It's just that we are, dedicated, and we are not going to quit and lose hope, even if we see or face any failures at any point.
All right, great, awesome. Manashji, if you have a couple of questions to Ananya, you could go ahead and ask because we have a
Yeah,
couple of
absolutely.
more
Like
awesome
Ananya, like,
achievers waiting.
yeah. So what is like failure to you?
So basically, according to me, failures to youth, today's youth, they are very impatient. Not just youth, I would say everybody. All of us are very impatient. We lose hope every second.
Yeah.
Like light nahi hai, we lose hope. Light nahi aa rahi hai. We start getting frustrated with, at each and every point. We do not
Yeah.
know how to prioritize our things, and which things are of utmost more important. So first of all, we need to learn this. Then we
Yeah.
can easily identify the real failures which we have had.
Yes, because what I see is like right now we are talking so much about social media, but at the same time, when people like you remember TikTok, some people were so famous on that, and suddenly when TikTok was gone out, they were left in like nowhere. Like, and that is also killing people. So we have to be very careful of, because you people are achieving so much in your life right now, but at the same time, please remember there will be tough times, but you have to keep afloat. You should have always somebody to be looking at, because you see like when earlier we used to talk to people and we used to ask, okay, what's your 5 year plan? But after COVID, I am not able to ask what's your 5 months plan. Why? Because every
Five
single day
days.
there is a change out there. So there is the world that has taught us right now is we cannot even we cannot think of the next 5 years,
Yeah.
because we don't know what is going to happen next. So that's where you people have to be very careful with that part. And really amazing, Ananya, the work that you are doing, because people are always there to speak about their good things, but the dark sides or the dark shades or the black holes or the way they have grown out of that space really inspires people. I strongly believe that. So apart from that, what would you like to do in your life?
Sir, my full-time aim is to go into some kind of a government sector wherein I believe everybody aims to bring some change in the society. But moving
Okay.
on to the reality and practicality, you need to hold a position wherein you are given the authority to bring in some changes. That is the utter
Absolutely.
reality.
Wow. So that is really good. So I have a secret mantra for you. Would you like to take it?
Yeah, sure, sir.
So it works this way, because I have worked from school kids to criminals, hardcore criminals, and we have transformed like 42 criminals have already surrendered, and they are getting into the change in their lives. So I understand the human psychology very well. So I have a very simple word. You remember the movie Spider-Man, that it says, with great responsibility, or with great powers come great responsibility. Is it not? Have you heard that?
Yes,
With
sir.
great powers come great responsibility. But my dear friend,
Responsibilities.
change it. With great responsibility will come great power. I am not at a government position. I'm not working at a higher level, but the kind of people that I've reached, I have saved 24 suicidal cases. So I don't have any issues. If I die right this moment, I know I'm not going to die, because 24 people are living because of me. And when I look at like 3 million people around, I have touched their lives and moved them. That gives me immense pleasure. And when I look at you people inspire me. Okay, so
All right.
remember this.
Thank you, sir.
Remember this, like you should
That
be.
is that is
Take
a
that
that is
responsibility, and the power will be given to you.
awesome. That's an awesome life hack given out there. With that, we've covered some